Well, we've made it to the end of the year. So it's much like last year, we are heading up the bush. So we are fully loaded. We've got the trailer on, we've got a mower and a motorbike and all sorts of stuff. Heading up to our little spot. The bush seems pretty busy, so it's going to be good to have our own little spot we can hang out. Heading up there for a week, and I think we're lucked out with the weather because it's supposed to be nice and warm. So plenty of sitting around in the river and yeah, drinking a few lemonades. So looking forward to that. So yeah, I don't know what else we're going to get up to. Might be a pretty short video. I don't know. It looks like yeah, if it's going to be as hot as it's saying it's going to be, we won't be doing much. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Hope everyone has a good New Year and had a good Christmas. And yeah, enjoy. Big strong boy.
Too many distractions.
Darcy, Big Papa, Maccabee.
Woody B, give us this.
Woody, it's Woody B.
Magic happening already. What happened?
Don't drop it on the ground.
Oh shit.
Right, I put the spud in.
Please.
No place.
What?
Put 'em in.
Oh.
Look at that. That is a rush.
Look at it.
Barnet. Want to see a masterpiece? Listen. That is some good stuff. Okay, ready? Go.
Get him in.
It's bound to get stuck in the tree. Look at it. Tree stuck up. Go. Oh.
So close.
Who put that in the tree? Oh. Oh. Give the branch a shake now, Louis. Yeah. Yeah. Is this Master Chef Jake?
Correct.
Take photo. Yeah.
Photo.
Chef Macca.
We'll put him in the water and you can see how wild he goes.
Heading.
He's going, Lord. Go, Lord. He's going. Nice one. That was perfect. Yep.
Doesn't help trying to go up the bank.
Yeah. Stuck on a rock and going uphill. Perfect. Try that.
I'm gonna burn this fucking chair. Simone!
Yeah, like that. And then bend your wrist right back.
Simone!
Yeah, like that. And then as you like steady forearm, put your wrist.
I am gonna burn this chair.
I think that was more the angle. Like, I think it must have been flat. It's been pretty straight.
Welcome to the land of wonderful things.
that's New Year's done and dusted. Yeah, didn't do much other than sit in the river and get a bit of firewood, mowed the lawns and all that sort of stuff, bit of maintenance. So yeah, didn't really get that much footage, but hope you all enjoyed. Hope you all had a good New Year's like we did. It's probably one of the funnest ones. It's nice weather. So yeah, hope you all had a good one, and we'll see you on the next one.